Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Washington sales tax website account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in secure.dor.wa.gov and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Department of Revenue for the Washington State, and you will directly end up in the login portal as well. Now you can simply enter your user ID that you have set up while creating your account, and underneath the password box type in your account password. In case you have forgot your user ID or your password, you can click on the Forgot User ID or the Forgot Password button. After entering both of these credentials, click on Login to my DOR and you will be logged in to your account on the Department of Revenue for Washington State right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Department of Washington Revenue account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button. And subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.